In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a profile picture in ClickUp 4.0. Personalizing your account is one of the simplest ways to make your workspace feel like home and ensure teammates recognize you at a glance in tasks, comments, and notifications. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the entire process of updating your profile image inside ClickUp 4.0. We'll start from logging in, navigate straight to your profile area, and then I'll show you both ways to personalize your avatar: uploading a photo or selecting a color for your initials if you prefer a clean, text-based look. I'll also point out where to find the preview and how to commit your changes so they appear everywhere across your spaces and projects. It's an easy set of steps, and I'll make it smooth and clear so you can follow along without pausing. If you keep a favorite headshot or brand-friendly image nearby, this will take you just a moment, and by the end, you'll have a refreshed profile that reflects you and your role. Let's begin right at the start. Open your web browser and head to clickup.com. On the homepage, sign into your account using your usual credentials. Type in the correct email and password you use for ClickUp and proceed to log in. If your organization uses single sign-on, you'll follow that normal login flow just like you do every day. The key here is simply to get into your workspace so we can reach your personal settings. Double check that you're on the official ClickUp site and that you're logging into the right account, especially if you manage multiple workspaces or switch between different profiles. If your browser offers to save your password, that's entirely up to your security preferences. The steps we're covering won't require you to enter any sensitive details beyond that initial sign-in. Once you're in, you'll land on your ClickUp home base, and we can move directly to your profile area. Now that you're looking at your ClickUp interface, shift your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. This is where your profile icon lives. If you've never uploaded a photo before, you'll likely see a colored circle with your initials inside it. If you already have a profile photo set, you'll see that image instead. That little circle is what we're going to work with. I'll highlight it on screen so it's easy to spot. You can think of this area as your shortcut to everything personal: settings, notifications, and account options. It's always in the same place, so once you know where it is, you can get back here in a heartbeat whenever you need to update something about your profile. Click directly on that profile icon to open a small menu. From the options that appear, choose Settings. This takes you to your main settings page, where you can customize different aspects of your account. We won't wander around too much here. The focus is your avatar. Once the settings page loads, you'll see your current profile image or your initials front and center among your personal details. Everything we need is right here. If you've never explored this screen before, don't worry. Only a couple of clicks are required to swap in a new image or change the color behind your initials. Think of this as your personal profile card inside ClickUp. Updating your avatar here updates it everywhere else in your workspace. Find your current avatar on the settings page and click on it. When you click, you'll see the option to upload avatar. Go ahead and select it. This opens a dialog where you'll make the change. If you're planning to upload a photo, a square or nearly square image tends to look best in small circles, especially where your avatar appears next to comments or task assignments. If you prefer to keep things minimal, you can stick with your initials and adjust the background color instead. I'll show you that in just a moment. For now, let's focus on the photo route so you can see what that looks like in practice. Inside the avatar dialog, click on the button labeled Upload. As soon as you do, your computer's file browser opens. This is where you choose the image you want to use as your new profile picture. Navigate through your folders and find a photo you like. Maybe a professional headshot, a clear selfie, or a brand-appropriate logo if that's your style. If you're picking a personal photo, choose one with good lighting and a clean background so your face stands out, even at small sizes. Centered faces generally crop better in circular frames.